Hey, I'm Rodney Yee. When we use a chair for our yoga practice, it's important to make sure the chair fits your body. Whatever chair you have, we're going to show you how to adopt it to your practice. Sitting on the edge of your chair, look at the angle of your thigh bone. If it's basically parallel to the ground, that's a good height for your feet. If you feel that your knees are lower than your hips because your legs are shorter, go ahead and place something under your feet. For instance, blocks, books, towels, blankets. Preferably, if it's solid, it's a little bit better, but just raising the height of the feet is important. As you can see now, my knees are actually higher than my hips, so this is too high for my feet. Now, you might be taller than I am, and the chair may feel just too short for you, and your knees might have that angle again that I just showed you. In that case, you have to raise the seat of the chair to be appropriate for the length of your legs. So here I am sitting on just a little elevation. You can see my knees are a tad lower than my hips now. So now I've actually put too much space between my hips and the chair. Take your time and set up properly, because that'll really make all the other exercises in yoga perfect for your body. And we want to bring health to you. Thank you.